This is your sign to stop giving up on yourself. To all the times that you've given up on yourself, we can come to accept that. Now, this is a new day, a new month, a similar year, but a different person with a different mindset. You can dictate what you want to be at any point in your life, at any time in your day, at any second, any minute. Even if 2 seconds ago I said I'm a piece of crap, right now I decided to change that. I'm not a piece of crap. Yesterday you ate a donut. Today you can choose to eat a salad. That's how quick you can change anything you want in your life. Now, the matter is, do you believe it? And if not, can you trick yourself enough to believe it long enough, right? You can sit here and be like following a routine of a really wealthy person. You are eventually going to become a wealthy person, right? Because if you're surrounding yourself with a network of people who only generate money, and you're surrounding yourself with saving lifestyle, and you don't spend your money like that, but you still take care of yourself, and if you cut down on certain things, change bad habits, stop smoking and spending all money on that, you're naturally going to become wealthy, right? Just like if you're someone who's very healthy and you surround yourself with people who only order food from outside, only want to eat from the junkiest junk food place, who only want to spend money on drugs and alcohol, and you're constantly surrounded by a party, eventually you're going to cave in, you're going to start drinking, you're going to start eating junk, you're going to start smoking, even if you're the healthiest person, right? Same concept applies. You can choose to change your environment at any moment. You can choose to change and throw that vape away. I'm not saying it's not hard. I'm not saying it's easy. But I'm definitely saying it is possible. And I'm definitely saying that it's not impossible. Okay? I'm going to insert a clip of which I took a competency test for a career that I'm working on. It's a clinic-based career. And it's quite a slightly difficult test based on the company I'm working for. They take it quite seriously. Now, I did not know if I was going to pass it or not. I spent so many days studying. The first time I did it, there was a little bit of hiccups, so I had a chance to do it again. Morning. Today I'm going to be taking my comp assessment, and I am going to pass. And then there's a video of me, aka right now. I'm letting you know that I completed that competency test, and I'm officially a person who works in this career. If you had told me this 2 months ago, I would have laughed at your face. I was at the lowest point of my life. I was very low, just started therapy not even too long ago. Behind that, I was working on this 40-hour course that I was studying online, and I had so many doubts. But the one thing I did is I emitted and I embodied a person who worked in that field. I got myself scrubs. I, set it up, my laptop to the desk, and started studying. I made a little cup of tea. I brought my notebook. I started watching vlogs of people who are nurses and in clinic schools. Who work in clinic settings. I embodied someone who works in that field. I started going to the gym more, reading books, watching a lot of videos about the field, started surrounding and befriending people who worked in the field, to the point where even though I didn't finish that 40-hour course, which is the least requirement to get into this field, I felt like I belonged. I felt like I can do it. I felt like it wasn't impossible for me to do it. And you can too. 110,200,000%, you can too. So stop waiting. Stop giving yourself every excuse in the book. Stop waiting for a motivation. I don't feel motivated. Oh, I'm tired. Oh, I'm this. Oh, I'm that. Oh, I was just dealing with a lot of shit. Oh, I had so much home family bullshit that I had to deal with. Oh, this, that. Babe, stop acting like you're a victim. The only victim you are is to yourself. You're a victim to yourself. No one's gonna come here and save you. You can cry and whine all about it. People will empathize, but they're not gonna save yourself. They're not gonna say that. And the good people, when they see that kind of person, they're gonna avoid them. Oh, that person, all they know is how to fail. All they know is how to accept failure. All they know is how to give up and not try. Ooh, and you're just gonna be surrounded by shitty people, shitty environment, shitty life, okay? So stop pretending like you're a victim of this world. Trust me, you're not the first or the last person to deal with bullshit. I'm dealing with bullshit. Your mom's probably dealing with bullshit. Your cousin's dealing with bullshit. Your sister's best friend's cousin's mother's dog is dealing with bullshit. Everyone is. Everyone's dealing with bullshit. Okay? You can either let this bullshit run your life, which AKA means you let external things run your life, or you can. So you make that choice. As always, this was Jutes. And this was a little different style of video. This just really came to me because this happened today that I passed my comp. And it's also, as I always say, I feel like I'm projecting when I come to these videos in a good way. Hey, these are just things that I've noticed myself and I'm learning. And so I am teaching you. I've been a victim. I've sat in that victim mentality. And I've realized the only thing it got me is robbing my fucking days right out of my hand and surrounding me with shitty ass people. Don't be like that. Bye-bye.